Hi my best friend. Are you ready for a fun game? Let's find the odd one together. Let's go. Look closely. Can you find the odd one? Here it is, a yellow elephant. You found it. Great job. Look at these octopuses. One is different. Can you find it? Yes, a purple octopus. Well done. Can you find the odd one? You found the blue bee. High five. Look closely. Can you find the odd one? Here it is, a pink giraffe. You found it. Great job. Something is different here. Can you see the odd monkey? There you are. You found it. Look at the frogs. One is not green. Where is it? Here it is, an orange frog. You found it. Great job. Look at the crabs. One is not red. Can you spot the green crab? Bingo! A green crab. You are so smart. Great job. Look at the lions. One of them is very special. Can you find the purple lion? You found it. Great job. It's a purple lion. Look at the cute cats. One of them has a different color. Can you spot the black cat? Yes, there it is. A lovely black cat. You found it. Great job. Woof woof. Here is the last challenge. Look at the cute puppies. One is not like the others. Can you find the blue puppy? Yes, a blue puppy. You are a genius. You found them all. Wow, you are a brilliant detective. You found them all. See you next time. Bye bye.